Hey there, if Microsoft Edge keeps asking you to save passwords and it's getting a little annoying, or maybe you're using a password manager instead, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the password saving feature in Microsoft Edge in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and look for the top right corner. Click on the three dots, the menu icon. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Now in the left-hand panel, choose Profiles. This is where Edge stores your browse data, passwords, and account info. Under Profiles, click on Passwords. This opens all the password-related settings, and a new side panel will show up. Click on Settings. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Offer to Save Passwords. You will see a little toggle switch next to it. Just click that switch to turn it off. Once it's grayed out, Edge will stop asking you to save passwords every time you log into a website. And that's it. Super quick, super simple. From now on, Microsoft won't bug you about saving passwords again. This is especially useful if you share your computer, use a different password manager, or just prefer to enter passwords manually. If you ever change your mind, you can just follow the same steps and flip the switch back on. Hope this helped. If it did, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there is another browser tip you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.